calling us to this holy land of Najaf and Karbala. So many hearts yearn to be on this holy land. I'm sure before you started your journey, many of the people would have told you to remember them in your prayers. Oh Ali, I know I'm a sinner. I've done wrong to myself, ظلمت نفسي. Oh Ali, but there's no doubt in my love for you. Oh Allah, now that you've blessed me with the ziyarah of Amir al-Mu'mineen, change my life, give me the tawfiq to become the Ammar of Ali. Oh Allah, make me the Muslim Naqeel, Ya Allah, Ya Allah. Ilahi, in haramtani, فمن ذا الذي يرزقني وإن قبلتني فمن ذا الذي ينصرني. Oh Allah, if you deprive me, who's going to bestow blessings on me? Ya Allah, inshallah, before we start Zara Amin Allah, we take the wasila of Ali ibn Abi Talib. There came a moment that Imam Ali alayhi salam once comes to house and Bibi Fatima is asking Ali, oh Ali, I hear people don't say salam to you. He says, I wish that was the case. I say salam, but people do not respond back to me. Oh Ali, what did Ali see? The door, and in between is Fatima. Imam Ali alayhi salam in his final words is saying, Zahra,